So I have the WH-1000XM5 headphones from Sony. So these are the new WH-1000XM5s. Let me just say one thing about them. Here they are. This is what they look like. If I place them on my ears, they're very comfortable. But who is this? What is the experience like these most similar to? Have you ever wondered what it feels like if you are on the set, or, have you ever wondered what it would feel like if you can literally listen to music or a podcast and kind of not hear anything around you, just like have pure sensory deprivation? So it's like your hearing is a sense that you kind of turned off. That's how strong the active noise cancellation now is on these, which are the Sony WH-1000XM5s. They are so powerful in their active noise cancellation. I swear, it is like coming out of a sensory deprivation chamber when you turn it off. When you take these off and you have it on full active noise canceling mode, maxed, you take these off, you're like, where am I? I feel so weird. It feels like I was in my own head and then I came out into the real world. Be prepared for that, because I think these are the best headphones currently that you can buy under $400, but you got to be prepared for the total change in what you perceive active noise cancellation to sound like to your head, to your ears, to your body, your psyche. It's going to be that powerful. So how is Sony delivering these changes? Well, the XM5s are now coming with 8 microphones inside and an updated 30mm drivers. These are going to be different from the 40mm drivers and the less microphones you would have in the 1000XM4s. The craziest feature, I think, is going to be that auto noise cancelling optimizing feature. So that's exclusive to the XM5s, which promises to adjust the level noise cancelling to suit the environment around you. There is a 2-hour improvement in overall playback time on your 1000XM5s at 40 hours of listening time versus 38 hours on your XM4s, and the XM5s are going to charge a lot faster. It promises 5 hours of playback from just 10 minutes of charging, and in my experience after using them, I can attest they charge really fast, much faster than the 1000XM4s. What's the biggest knock on them? Well, it comes down to the shape. On your XM4s, you could fold them down. So if you're going to fly with them or you wanted to have something that you could throw in your bag, you could fold them into smaller shapes. Now the XM5s, they're just going to be one shape, which is this elongated, always going to be standing up, always has to be straight up on your head type of design. So that might be a drawback if you're just used to throwing your headphones inside of your bag. Nevertheless, I prefer the XM5s because even though I can't store them as easily, I just leave them around my head and the gesture controls are improved over the XM4. Now let's see them in use on the wild. So this is me just sitting on my porch, just listening to some music, and the beauty of these is that you really cannot hear anything around you, and it feels like you're in the stereo studio mode of these headphones more than just having regular consumer grade noise cancelling headsets, which is interesting because I never thought you would be reaching this point at this price point currently right now. Right now, I have the active noise cancelling on, and even though I'm in a crowded IKEA, on about 60-70% volume, I can't really hear much of anything else. All I hear is the music. It's kind of cool, but I put these on, it's like I'm on the Space Station and I can see everything happening, but I can't hear what they're actually doing. You just have to put the volume at about 70% to really block out all the ambient noise in this IKEA. So, we're going to double up. Let's go see this meatball. And I'm going to finish my lunch now. The level of customization is better on the 1000XM5s. It has adaptive sound control, so that means depending on where you are, it's going to sense your location, and if you go there repeatedly, it's going to adjust its sound settings based on where you are. So you can turn that on, and you have your sound settings where you can either adjust the noise canceling levels. The ambient sound level is adjustable up to 20 different levels, and I think Sony did an amazing job here because you can really hear what other people are saying, and it doesn't sound so artificial with boosted treble like you would experience on other headphones that come with active noise cancellation. And that's because it comes with 8 microphones. The equalizer is fully adjustable. You have multiple settings. You can turn up the bass all the way up to +8, and it is simple. You can do it on customizable, treble boost. There's multiple modes: bass boost, speech, manual, custom 1, custom 2, and off. And Let's also check out the Analyze Ear Shape on that 360-degree Realty audio setup. Now, I don't really use that because basically I feel like it's only for certain apps, so I don't really get a lot of use out of that. Now, you have Bluetooth connection quality, so that means it's going to put priority on sound quality or your connection depending on where you are. And when you go to the system mode, in system, you're going to be able to control what the buttons on your device do, including quick access buttons like your press the noise canceling A and B button 2 times for a command. You can set it for Spotify. You can set it for your voice assistant, whatever you want to do, because that's customizable, which is not a huge departure from the XM4s, but I do find it nice on the XM5s. I did find that the microphone and the call quality is better on these. However, I still am not comfortable enough to use them with my Alexa or Google Assistant devices just because I feel like it affects how the adaptive sound controls work. So long story short, they are an improvement over the 1000XM4s outside of not being foldable. They sound better, the active noise cancellation is better, and I like mine. Now it's time to say goodbye with my yellow changing light head. I'll catch you next time, everybody. This is David with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.